Hi, I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, and today I'm going to show you how to crack an egg with one hand, and then we're going to make some scrambled eggs with cream cheese, Grand Marnier, and shredded jack cheese. Okay, let's go. And boom! Chakalaka.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Hi, I'm Chef Carl again, and we're going to make scrambled eggs with Grand Marnier, whole cream, and cream cheese. And I'm going to show you a trick with the cream cheese in a little bit. I froze it so it dices up. And I am the Food Whisperer. What's that? Yes. I wash the eggs before I use them because sometimes when they come from the farmers, and some of these you can see are organic eggs. I'm not sure if they're totally clean. So safety first. We have sanitizer, and I don't wear gloves, but I wash my hands and I have soapy water. So, all right, let's go. So got this. We want to put just like a shot of Grand Marnier. A little fresh, heavy cream. And we're going to whisk it all together. And I may have to cook this in 2 batches because this is a lot of scrambled eggs. And we're also going to have a side of thick cut bacon, which is really good. What I did is I froze the cream cheese so it's actually crumbly, as you can see. I'll put this on the side so we can dice it into smaller pieces, and it folds into our omelet. This is more than I need, but here we go. And always from the back of the knife. I don't see anybody getting cut. Okay, now I'm going to wipe my hands off. I'm going to start making the eggs. Okay, so what we're going to do first, and this is a non-stick pan, but I still spray one little butter spray. And we're going to put a little bit of, like a teaspoon or so of margarine. Butter flavored margarine. Tastes pretty good. I do it because it's less calories, but you can use real butter. I'm going to put this at a medium-high heat. Get the pan nice and warm. Takes a couple of minutes to melt everything, but once the pan is hot, then the rest of the process goes pretty quick. When the margarine or butter starts to bubble around the edges in the center, you know that you're pretty hot. You don't want to scorch or burn the eggs or the butter. So I'm going to pour like half of this in. And remember, this has got the Grand Marnier, the heavy cream. I'm going to give it a little crank of salt. If you've got to watch your sodium, don't put it in because you have bacon. Bacon's got a little salt. I happen to like salt and pepper. And we're not going to add the cream cheese till the end. Fold it in. You can see it's starting to cook along the edges. This is the same method you would use if you're going to make an omelet. So I'm getting some nice bubbling, but a watch pot never boils. If you were making an omelet, you would pull the cooked eggs towards the center. Okay, now the eggs are cooked nicely. I don't want to cook them too hard. The cream cheese is melting. So I'm going to put them on the plate. That's a nice portion. That was about two and a half of the eggs. Going to sprinkle just a little bit of Colby Jack cheese shredded because it's just pretty and it will melt in there slowly. And I just happen to have some beautifully cooked bacon, thick cut bacon. Yummo, huh? Yummy. And there you go. And folks, that's how you crack an egg with one hand. And that's how you make scrambled eggs with Grand Marnier cream cheese and a little Colby Jack. And don't forget the side of bacon. I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer. Thanks a lot.